Better than the one raid we were in, and the rogue forgot to put the poisons on.
Oh,
Five,
right.
4, 3,
Or the
2,
tank going in
1.
with the fishing pole.
Shards.
All right, hero.
We get amp buff from my fell hunt. I forgot
You
about
can take
that.
him.
I'm at 6, 10, 11, 12. Get it.
Inferno.
Inferno blade on hammer.
Shards.
All right, everyone back to the left foot, other than Tom and Findel.
And 11 ticket.
Shards.
All right, Tom, go to the right foot.
Inferno.
Blade on hammer.
All right, on you, Arnia.
Shards.
Come over here. It's on the other foot, y'all.
Eleven, 12 ticket.
Decimation.
Blade on me. Nice.
Shards.
Probably gonna switch up
You
the
can take
beats
him.
on us here, Sarnia. So yep, it's over here. So come over here with me. Ten, 11, 12. Take it, Sarnia. Y'all should be getting a hell of a healing buff off of me.
Well, 500%.
Decimation.
Blade on me.
Shards.
It's on the right foot still.
We're switching again.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Tom now.
You can take him.
10, 11, 12 ticket.
All right, just run away, Tom.
Shards. Decimation.
Taking him. Blade on me.
All right, I gotta get away from this thing.
Okay, you can
Sorry,
take him.
Bane. He was just eating on me too much that time.
Oh,
Shards.
It's on right foot, Tom. But it's okay, this motherfucker is dead.
Hell yeah.
Yep.
Pay attention to your stacks.
And
So move away, Tom.
Decimation.
Fuck you, Baleroc.
Nice job.
Look, you got two on